Welcome to Maths with Soumya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is NCERT question, exercise 6.5, question number 6. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitude. So, each of the side of the triangle is 2A given. So, under solution, we can say here, so I shall say solution. So, ABC is an equilateral triangle and AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 2A. This is given. I have to find the height. So, I shall say here, let AD be perpendicular to BC. That means AD I am drawing perpendicular to BC where AD will become the height. So, we know that perpendicular drawn to the equilateral triangle is also the median. So, remember this, in an equilateral triangle, if you draw a perpendicular, this will be the same median and the angular bisector. The three will be the same for the equilateral triangle because it is an equilateral and equiangular. So, if you draw the height, this is also the median. That means it bisects the base. It bisects the base here. We can use this statement or even we can prove the same using the congruency also. So, now this is also median. Therefore, I shall say AD is median. This implies BD is equal to DC is nothing but BC by 2, which is 2A by 2, which is A. That means BD is equal to DC is A. This is what we have reached. You can use this statement directly what I have given, or even you can take the two triangle and prove it. So, you can take here in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. We are having this is 90 degree. So, ADB is equal to ADC, which is equal to 90 degree. The reason is AD is perpendicular to BC. AB and AC are equal. AB is equal to AC is 2A given. It is an equilateral triangle. And AD is equal to AD is common. So, you people have learnt this in the 9th standard. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by RHS congruency. So, right angle hypotenuse on the side. So, therefore, I can say here BD is equal to DC. So, obviously, this will come equal to A. So, by this way also we can prove it. So, what we have to show now, altitude of the equilateral triangle we have to take. I call this as 1. Now, in triangle ADB, AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, why I am showing this? Because Pythagoras theorem can be only applied if it is 90 degree. So, I am showing this. So, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square is nothing but 2A whole square. AD square, AD is H, height, altitude. BD is A square. So, this is 4A square is equal to H square plus A square. 4A square minus A square is equal to H square. 3A square is equal to H square. So, we have to find what is H. So, H square is equal to 3A square. H is nothing but root of 3A square. So h is nothing but root 3 here, a units. Height of this particular triangle with the sides 2a is this. You can also write equilateral triangle is equiangular and equilateral. So altitude of equilateral triangle is same for all the sides. So this will be the same thing you are going to get. So you can write equilateral triangle is equilateral, that means all equal side, and equiangular, therefore all the sides have same altitude. So h is equal to root 3 into a units will be the answer.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
From NCERT, exercise 6.5, question number 12. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stands on a plain ground. So you can draw one with the 6 meter which I have drawn and kept. So AB is 6 meter and another one we just draw it with the 11 meter. So this is the another pole, both the poles. So they will be always at 90 degree. And this is the distance what we have to find. If the distance between their feet is given 12 meter, I call this as CD. So we have to find the distance between their top. Means from D to A, we have to find the distance. You can see I have drawn and kept the diagram. So always introduce your data here. So let the two poles. So let the two poles be. Let the two poles on ground be AB which is equal to 6 meter and CD which is equal to 11 meter, and distance between their poles bases is 12 meter given. Now because both the poles, so we say that poles stand perpendicular. So these two can be 90 degree. This will just work. And also now I shall say draw AE perpendicular to CD. This is also perpendicular. Poles stand perpendicular and this is perpendicular, which will implies ABCE is a rectangle. ABCE is a rectangle. And we know that opposite sides of rectangle are equal. This is important. Don't skip this. It may be for 3 marker. So don't skip this statement because we have to show that why it is a rectangle. So next, opposite sides are equal. So I can say CB will be equal to EA or AE, which is 12 meter. So this is also 12 meter, and similarly AB is equal to EC, which is 6 meter. That means from here to here I got 6 meter. So DC is given to be, DC or even we can take CD. CD is given to be 11 meter. What is CD? CD is nothing but EC plus DE. This is 11. EC we know here 6. Plus DE, 11 minus 6 will give you DE. That means this one is 5. We got this one is 5 and this is 12 we got. So now you can simply apply the Pythagoras theorem and find the answer. So now you can say in triangle AED by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Now we know all the values here. AE is 12 square plus 5 square. So AD square is nothing but 144 plus 25. So AD square is 169. AD is square root of 169, which is nothing but 13 meter. Everything is in the meter, so you take the meter. Whatever is the question asked, conclude your answer accordingly. Question is, you have to find the distance between the two poles of their tops. So, distance between the top of two poles is 13 meter. You can bracket your answer also.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any particular sum to be solved, put it in the comment box. I try to make a video on that.